got the heavy rain, then the sunrise. Hello, my wonderful people, great Biafrans, lovers of freedom. Hello, my people. A very quick one. Oh, I'm not saying I won't plug my phone. Put. It's very cold, huh? Mazi, I see you there. You are welcome. Mazi Onyebushi, I see you there. Joy, John, I see you there. Raymond, Shima, I see you there. Kingsley, C, I see you there. You are all welcome. You are all welcome, my people. Welcome, my people, my wonderful people. You're all welcome, you're all welcome, you're all welcome. Please, as you are joining, share, share, share. Share, share, share. Let me share and invite our people too. As you are joining, please share, share, share. Let me share by myself. You are welcome, my people. Yes, I'm back. Mazi Kingsley. Brother Kingsley, I'm back. One minute now, we will start. My just share some more. If our battery won't off, I will hold the phone for one to talk, eh? I'll plug them. Please, as you are joining, share, invite our people. Glory Emmanuel, Ugo, Nelly, Brooklyn, Maris, Iwuji Water, Joyce, Sil. You are all welcome, my people. You are all welcome. So I'm not going to waste much of our time today. Okay. I'm going to say some more prayer to all the know this Chuko Kika Biama. So no blue will make us see us through this very afternoon. The weather is cold. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, depending on your time zone. My name is Efe Uwanogo Omote Biafra, Abirobo Biafra from the coastal region of Biafra land. If it's your first time where you've joined us for this YouTube, Facebook page, Omote Biafra too, may you like, follow the page. If you know they follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, Omote Biafra. If you know they follow me on Twitter, follow me on Twitter at Omote Biafra. And if you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Oh, don't forget to put the link there again. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Omote Biafra. And I thank those of us who subscribed yesterday as I talk, and God go bless every one of us, he said. So before we go straight to our topic of today, make we quickly say some more prayer to Oge no lise Chuko Kika Biama, make it cause see us through. Oge no lise Chuko Kika Biama, I'm aware of this kokore. Ogoruvo na we're gonna discuss kwa ijobi of Nigeria. youth in Nigeria, every street now, I protest for a better life, a better governance, better. I stop police brutality, SARS brutality. I end the kwa ijobi ode against raye as a citizen in Nigeria. Oga no lise chuko kika biama. Aba pe owe mamo egba viroro voko aba ti level aba ku yobi ba no na. Aba jigwe lo amare as me mota egba kapa fiati ohun na ijobi oga no so no blue we chuko kika biama so no blue we tamuno obowe yo ba isero na da no we kede you to in Nigeria every street I protest now no whether increase the spirit of resoluteness iraye, whether increase the spirit of determination iraye, whether increase the spirit of focusedness iraye, whether increase the spirit of doggedness iraye, kemu ka venue ke resources age I need I continue that process against the bad governance of Nigeria na oga no listen what that provide the akaye ko bi wo si be mi Israel okay ikla oyi wakaji wo si emi Nigeria no vi obai janjawi na vi help Britain I choose ni akanya iho daba captive oga no listen worker emi youth in Nigeria egba oko vi roro vi understanding I already any freedom right oya ngora bi yo oga no listen vero so kasokuvo kai spirit endurance spirit akawo no ni awo ko viroro wo so maraye the revolution na over dey successful oga no listen wa pe we mamo supreme leader Bale Mazuna di Kanu all take it upon himself ni okamo so ilu ni ekuyo bi trap o vidaminable zoo esi Nigeria na abakuyo bi kamo to dey free oga no listen what that vero say kasokuvo ugu ikpegede okadi portion ni Mazuna di Kanu re okadi apori ire okadi fruit elebore abakuyo bi oje dey available oje watch me ogoruvo na abakuyo bi kade di apo riri abakari fruit ilebo abare oka go down in vain ona na ya ba no re ochuko kika bia ma so no blue well tamu no nugo lukavario abami Biafra abami Nigeria ise thank you very much this very afternoon Sister Rose Robert I see you there all hail Biafra my wonderful sister Okenwa I see you there Edo Street Kent I see you there Patience I see you there Julius I see you there you are all welcome. Je n'ai pas vu encore. On dirait qu'on est chercher là-bas. C'est pas là-bas. Chercher là-bas. Sorry, my people. So, to send message, give our people for when they protest for the street of the damnable republic. This very afternoon, my people, now together we want to send this message, give them. This message now deliberately for the youth. My fellow youth wait there for streets when they protest, and I hear they say they go protest for my city either today or tomorrow. I never know the actual day, but any I go be, they go still let us know. So my people, I want to send this message, give our youth for Nigeria when they protest, when they do their possible best to protest to make sure say we come up for this bad governance, we come up for the hand of this Janjawi, we come up for the hand of this oppressors. When we say the doctor say they not go sleep, no drink water for ground till they continue to they see us the youth, they suffer, we they die for Mediterranean Sea, we they do all manner of things all over the world. They there for that place, they say they be elder, they say they be traditional rulers, they say they be presidents, they say they be governors, they say they be politicians because they eat, they swell up on our expenses. So I want to let the youth they know. Una no say to the history the way we don't hear when some of us don't go do on our own, and sometimes we see the hear some black Americans that they talk and when they let us know say white people come Africa come carry black people as slavery. So and for the whole history, if when we go check out now only black people now be the people when they successfully come carry successfully when we say after they carry us finish they cause it colonize us, after they see free us as slavery they cause it colonize us. Today we dey find how we want to change the narrative, how we want to change the things wey be say our forefathers do in those days. That's why I say some people today they say our forefathers were strong, they were rugged, they were this, they were that. They were strong, they were rugged, as populated as the day for Africa that time. Now, how many Oyibo people come when they go conquer Africa? They go China, they go India, they go Japan, they go many places, Asia countries. They not fit succeed the way they succeed for Africa body. So I dey let this youth of today in order for us to pay back, or for us to get our freedom back, or to go back to our feet as who we were before these people came, not be for you to start to to continue to the lord one person, or continue to the respect one person, say na so the person na be your igwe, na be your traditional ruler, na be your politician, na your leader wey be say you dey respect. For that reason, for that reason, if he tell you say stop, maybe you not go for protest, then you go sit down for house because say na your baba, na your baba, so you want respect, and so for that reason you not go out go protest. I don't watch Japan movie. I don't watch Chinese movie. Most of their movie now revenge. Saturn they fight North. North they fight South. Let's stop the British from entry. Let's stop the America from entry. All their movie now revenge. So, and as a black people, we are beginning to discover our weak point as a people. We are beginning to discover how we take they conquered, as in due to our cowardiceness. We as a black people now we they suffer pass. We as a black people now we they backward pass. We as a black people now we not get continent we develop. But now we live see the sweet pass. Now we no want sacrifice anything for a better life. Now we no want sacrifice anything apart from say. Wait I get to know, wait I can't get to know about black people. Mazi Ekene, I see you there, my blood. Wait I can't get to know about black people. Apart from say hustling on their own as an individual, maybe taking risks of going through Mediterranean Sea, taking risks of going through what do they call them? Taking risks of going through desert or all those things. Black people not get the spirit of togetherness. Black people not get the spirit of togetherness to fight for a better society. Black people not get the spirit of, as in that tough mentality of their pride. Black people now, people will be say they know they feel they endure maybe stress or maybe attack, especially when they see those people as superior to them, just like the way that they see white people today. Black people go see honorary Arab when white, they don't feel intimidated. Black people go even see what do they call them? Algeria. White Algeria, they don't they feel intimidated. Black people go see white Moroccan, they don't they feel intimidated. And they let my youth, my fellow youth, when they protest for the contraction called Nigeria this very moment as me and they speak, because they get this message. And before I create this my page, they ask me which people I want to, as in which people be my target. I thought they say those ones in Nigeria. Now be my target. So I they let you they know this very afternoon. You see all those people when they call your elders. Now they are forefathers then. Now they exhibit that spirit of cowardiceness. They are forefathers then. Now they exhibit the spirit of cowardiceness when they come they successful for black white people to come for that place to call carry us go. Now then see give them the upper hand when they say they go sit down for Berlin that they share us. So this very afternoon and they let you they know these old people they don't live their life, they go. Majority of them, if they too live now, maybe 10 or 5 or 10 years time, they don't go. Now you don't they live, they go. And majority of us as the youth, we don't get children. We don't get children. We get children of 1 year old. We get children of 2 years old. We get children of 3 years old. Some of us get children when we say they sit there for belly, they never born them. They want traditional rulers sit down for one place. Politicians where you they fight against. They don't carry money come out now. Go they share give them. They let them know say what kids in when you're gonna sit down for us. So who don't that don't go? Who don't do this one? Don't do this one. No come out. If in Nigeria want better, it go better. If it not better, may you leave them. We don't really need the help of the government. If there is anything we can do as a citizen, we can put ourselves together and do it. And they watched one program yesterday whether Urobo something. When one Urobo man they talk for that place, they talk say, "I Urobo." I need the government. I need the government power. I kesa kukube. I say murobo. I can do mukube. I can't robo great. I can't know you they speak. Now I can't go for that place. Now I they ask the man say, you say we don't need government. We don't need government for Urobo land to make Urobo great. Which money, which revenue, which resources, which things they want to make Urobo great? Okay, because you don't see your brothers and sisters, they travel, they go Ghana. They travel go Ghana, go they do yahoo yahoo. Travel go Turkey, go they do yahoo yahoo. Your sisters they're there for France, they do prostitute. They're there for Italy, they do prostitute. So now prostitute and yahoo yahoo money, now they want to make Urobo great. Now prostitute and yahoo money, now they want to make Urobo land great. The man you this now tell us say this is the problem we are facing. At the comment I said this is the problem we are facing. And this man is claimed to be educated, he claimed to be an elderly man. See what you they vomit for months. Say we don't need government assistance to make Urobo great. Say if we want to make Urobo great, we don't need government assistance. So how they want to make Urobo great? Okay, making Urobo great now to go and build mansion for Urobo land. When you not get good road to it, I've been as the same Urobo citizen, Urobo youth, so when they cost me, they make Urobo great. So with Ashawo money, and when I'm sorry, my people, I go use so kind of word this very afternoon. With Ashawo money and yahoo money, now they want to make Urobo great. Now they say Ashawo money and yahoo money, now they want to tie road. Now they want to tie road. They say yahoo and Ashawo money, now they want to do give the running water. They say yahoo and Ashawo money, now they want to repair seaport. The same money, now they want to give the 24 hours of light. Now the same money for Ashawo, so now they want to build hospital. Then they want to build the what do they call them? Good infrastructure. When go now, they say yahoo money. Now won't give youth employment. See, make I tell you now one thing. Now my youth now they talk to my fellow youth now they talk to. Make I tell you now one thing. They say it's not all advice that come from elders now you they take, because some old people, some young, some foolish people that they grow old too. Some foolish people that they grow old too. So if as old, as mature, as educated when that man claim to be, say youth they for street, they protest against injustice, against NSAS, against everything, even through the means where they say they can make Urobo great. So now these people they go, they hustle till they live their own life. They kill them, they bush out. The only way till you go talk say not be by this one. Say make Urobo people come outside, make them come make Urobo great. Make it come down Urobo land where they say Urobo land. So now Urobo people dead there. Now Urobo people dead there. And they let you they know. And they let you they know. Say this era when we did so now era of the youth, because the elders they have fed us, our leaders they have fed us. Whosoever we must have relied on in the past or in present, they've all fed us, and we have yet to take our destiny in our hand. Gone are those days when any youth go sit down, they listen to one fool way called grow old. Gone are those days when they take advice from one fool way grow old. Say in an elder or in an this one. As you dey for the streets, they protest today. No elder have the right to tell you say may you go back house. Because constitutionally it is your right. Constitutionally for Nigeria, it is your right to protest against bad governance. It is your right constitutionally to protest against any injustice when they unleash on you. Don't listen to anybody. These people, these elders, everything, they don't secure a better future for their children. They don't even get all their children, they get passports. How much it take? See, those of them way there for Nigeria, we don't know how these elderly people, these elderly people will grow old so. How they act. See, their children to get passport for here in France, you need 300,000 euro. If you get 300,000 euro, if you be politician, you get 300,000 euro. If you call France government, you give them this, they'll give you passport. They'll give you passport. They'll give you as in you say you want as in you see this citizenship. They will give you. So all of them they get more than 300,000 euro when they won't give any European government for them to give their passport. If they get 2 children, if they get 3 children, they don't already get that money aside to give them for their family to fly abroad. After all, they don't already go say let me be here with them. Turn the Nigeria, but my children are there. They are safe. Don't listen to any of them. These people, majority of them, they use private jets. These people, majority of them are plane that they use. Now you they follow bus from Abuja to Warri, from Abuja to Lagos, from Abuja to Edo, from Abuja to Onitsha, from Abuja to Port Harcourt, from Abuja to Calabar. These people now flight they use. Now you they feel that bad road. Now you they feel attack for road. Now you arm robber, banditly, Fulani S-men, all these terrorists, kidnapper. Now you that they attack for road. They know they see these people they attack my people. It is time for you not to stop listening to them. It is time for you to stop listening to them. The last time America they born, all of them they post up and down for their war, especially these foolish people that grow old. Man are not versed for the noise, the environment they are working. Oh my God. I don't tire. Man are not versed, I beg. Don't listen to them. Don't listen to them. They now they start the post picture. Black Lives Matter. Joy Flood. Black Lives Matter. Don't say this. They have killed people. They don't take us. They don't do this one. The only way when the female could take the revenge, not to go the scam Oyibo. The only way when the female could take the revenge, not to the carry Oyibo, they come say my son marry Oyibo. All the Oyibo when they say even their children for years, they not agree carry them. Now the women they call it because they don't say money go come out for them, but they don't know the pain and agony, the suffering where you go through for that hand of that Oyibo people. But their children go come in, they know they can't they slave for anybody in hand. As they come here, they rent big apartment for them. Then they send money from Africa because they give them when they live their life, they do everything. Even if they see finish school, they'll see put them for better position for year when they go see they live their life. Don't listen to them, my people, my fellow youth in Nigeria. It is constitutional for you to protest peacefully in Nigeria. It is in their constitution. See, if you protest for 1 month, constantly in 1 month, even the world United Nations and the world, they go contact say, these people don't they protest for 1 month now. It means there is something going on in Nigeria. You have to sustain the protest. You have to sustain the protest. Let nobody deceive you. Let nobody deceive you, my people. We have to sustain the protest. Sustain it because it is your right. Because it is the time for we to hear our voice. I don't hear the slogan where Yoruba people they use now. Sorosoke, Sorosoke, me say speak out, Sorosoke. Mona continue to move. Mona continue to move, my people. Old, foolish people, they grow old too. Yesterday, our supreme leader, they talk. Even on this morning, they broadcast. Though I not watching live, but later they watch her. And they talk. He say, make our youth come out today. Make they go sweep everywhere. Like I rightly tell Una yesterday, nobody really want violence. Nobody love violence. Everybody want peace. Everybody want, and when I even check, either the rate they'll say the highest poverty is in Nigeria. The most happiest people are still the same Nigerians. They go say the highest poverty, the highest killings, the highest brutality, the highest terrorism is in Nigeria. But they want to rate the most happiest people. Now see they say Nigeria. For how long are we going to sit back in the south and watch people dying in the north unjustly? For how long are we going to sit back in the north, watch people be marginalized in the south? For how long are we going to continue separating ourselves so that they're going to get missed, they kill us separately? For how long are we going to keep silent? Today, some of them, they say if you go Ghana, they get 24 hours of light. And the last time when they check, Nigeria was there was a time when Nigeria, they supply Ghana lights. If not for till today. If not till today, if they not see they supply the lights in today. But do you know how come Nigeria become a great nation? Ghana become a great nation? Do you know how come you now when you go to Ghana, you get 24 hours of light? Do you know how come when you go to Ghana, you get running water? Do you know how come Ghana fight to get to the level they are today? There was a revolution. They killed all their bad politicians. They killed all their bad leaders. They eliminate all of them. The last time I checked, Ghana only have 10 or 11 states. Nigeria have over 36 states. 36 states in Nigeria. Nigeria have 36 states. Ghana have 10 or 11 states. Ghana population is not even up to 15 million. It's not up to 15 million. Nigeria have over 210 million citizens. Some of us today, when we see Ghana, they say, Ghana, who know Ghana? Now Nigeria know they carry last. Nigeria know they carry last, but they will come here, they know they carry that. They know they feel they stay for 24 hours of light. They know you are in Nigeria, you know they feel they carry last, or they feel on a big pass or on a big gallant pass Ghanaians. But some of you, if you won't go enjoy your life as celebrity in Ghana, now they go. You see, they carry water from 3-story building, 4-story building. They come down, call the bath. You don't get running water. Those of us that live in Ghana can attest to what I'm saying. Ghana, they have running water. You use shower for their house. Sometimes the house say, make waga, but they get shower. They get running water when they pass through to their house. Their police is very effective. Their custom is effective. Their law is very effective. Ghanaian citizens are not being killed unjustly on a daily basis like that. The last time I checked, you were supposed to be the giant of Africa. See how uneducated idiots, pedophiles, people who migrated from nowhere came to reduce your life to nothing. Even bedroom slippers is better than your life today in Nigeria as a youth. Look at how hungry most of you look. Look how hungry majority of Nigerian youths look. If not for those of us that is taking extremely risk to survive or to become somebody in life. And for how long? And for how long are you going to continue begging for everything? You think Nigerian government will give you lights? You think they will give you road without fighting for it? Without demanding for it with resoluteness? With determination? You think they will just sit down and give you everything in a platter of gold? People who refuse to give you ordinary indomie. People who refuse to give you ordinary rice. They prefer it to rotting in the warehouse. You think they will deliberately give you house, give you good road, give you water, give you all these things? People refuse to give you ordinary Maggi when they go look out for warehouse. Ordinary garri when they tie for sachets. They go look out for warehouse. Make it rotty. People who they shoot you, they die because you go bust warehouse to carry food to eat for hunger when they for the country. You think they will give you light? You think they will wake up one morning and give you light without demanding for it, with seriousness, with determination? You think they will give you? Anybody any elder that is calling out when they ask the youth to go out of the street, it not go well with you. It shall never be well with you if you go check them now. Their children in London. All those youth where they say, don't listen to this one, don't listen to people in diaspora, don't do this one, don't do that one. So if you go and check their background, majority of them, their children are in diaspora. The one where children not there for abroad, it must they Ghana, the school. It must they Saudi Arabia, the school. It must they Kenya, the school. Must they everywhere, the school. No, majority of them, their children don't school in Nigeria. Their children don't even base in Nigeria. Apart from Nigeria, which other African country or which other country when they feel they afford 24 hours of light? I never see them. I don't see travel most West Africa. I not see them. Everybody get running water. At least that is the least basic thing when citizens that they get. Least that is running water and light. That is the least. The last time I checked, when I can't check everything, we are not, you as a Nigerian, you are not giant of fools until you proving otherwise. And this is the time for you to prove to change the narrative. Let it be an history that when your children grow up tomorrow, when they hear it, they will be proud of you. Let it be an history that when you are telling it to your children, you will be proud to tell it to your children. These people are, these so-called politicians, these so-called leaders, they are demons from the pit of hell. They don't have conscience. They don't have conscience. They don't have conscience. When you are dealing with them, deal with them with so much, as in too much crudeness. Not by destroying properties on all these things. No, they let your demand, as in they fame from your demand. They fame from your demand. You go fit attest to how resolute when IPOB don't day for how many years and they don't kill the rich. They don't kill the rich. If you say the way all of us come out today, will they do what they do? So say now everybody pull out together, join IPOB is there. Maybe this government for no say they not go this far where they don't go so. But all of us we come out body. Nah. It is not about Duduwa. It's not about Biafra. It is about the betterment of Nigeria. At least make everything drop down further. That Yoruba man go come and that Ijaw man go come and that Robo man go come and that Middle Belt man go come and make all of us come sit down again. Make we come talk as we go take govern ourselves. I be not be the thing we make all of us there for streets. And you get more support than get a lot of support. They get a lot of support from diaspora. So now we need una we need una for Biafra land and for Nigeria. Sorry, for Nigeria, the Nigerian youth. So sustain the protest there in order for us here to continue our own. We went there for you, no go continue to do our protest when Nigeria is cold. When Nigeria is cold. I get every opportunity to sit down, not to speak, not to say anything, but I'm here speaking. Bad as it bad, bad as it bad, bad as it bad. Even if anything else, one day, go see better for me for this abroad. Go see better for me. It go better for me. When I go see the talk, say, okay, the way others they do make I see they say even if now 50 euro go they give them for home. But no, I see how they fought in France, when France become great. I see how they fight in Britain, when Britain become great. Any place in the world where it become great, their bad leader was killed. If in a president, they kill him. If in a governor, they made the country bad, they kill him. If in a traditional rulers, they make country bad, they kill him. Whosoever that make a country as suitable for the citizen, they kill them. They kill them. Nobody they ask you for money now. We as a black people, we need to be tough as immorally when it comes to things like this. Don't be only tough when you can carry a knife and butcher your fellow brother to show your rugality. Not only that tough when you say you won't go kill your sister or you won't go do rituals. Not only that tough when you say the only time when you say you go fit do things as in to show your own fellow brother or your fellow sister. Be tough when it takes to things that will benefit us generally. If you look all over the world now, not only all that they molest. Sorry, my people. If you look all over the world now, not only us, now we be the as in less treated human being on this earth. Now we be the less treated human. So far as I say you don't get that brown skin or however your skin day. Now you be the less treated human being. This as in Nigerian leaders, they are evil. They are evil. They are evil. Imagine ordinary Indomie. When you go for years, sometimes it don't expire. They'll go throw away. Ordinary Indomie. My people, let me plug my phone so that I go. Oh, Xavier, please, Jumine, pay. Moi, je vais finir tout suite. Xavier, please, Jumine la musique un peu. Moi, je vais finir tout suite, s'il te plaît. Oui, merci. My plug am, make I hold on for her like this. I don't tire. So, my people, make we stop all those things. Make we do the needful. It is now or never again. It is now or never again. No need to go dey find who won't be call your leader or you dey find who won't call you Ose. Or you won't call Ose. Make them fight for you. Who you won't call Ose. Make them stay for front for you. Who you won't call Egbon. Make them do everything. It is your right. 15 years old can pull a revolution. 30 years old can pull a revolution. No sit down for back, relax, they wait for anybody. Or make you they let anybody they mislead you, saying a leader, say me you in an elder, say me you go in SARS. May you not come out for protest. Say may you not protest for your rights. Because his father was a coward. Him too na coward. He wants to make you to be coward because they enjoy. See, for the whole of the world, they according to the history when our leader don't tell us, not only African people, now they set their people for slavery. That is to show you how black Africa, as in how wicked they are. But we can change the narrative. But we can turn everything around to start to write good history about black people. We can turn everything around. We don't give these old fools too much time, too much opportunity to do whatever they like and get away with it. See how they intimidate us. Honorary local government man go they pass with like 15 or 17 cars go they follow on for back. But when they pass, they go, everywhere is messed up. You also go do 4 years election. You go now go take visit a community. Because he want votes because if they campaign for president, or if they campaign for governor, or if they campaign for anything, now you go take step in foot, enter that community. After that 4 years, when they go that place, till another 4 years or 8 years, you no go step in foot, enter there. These people are cruel. These people are cruel to you. See how una don't bust everywhere, they carry food, they come out. If it not be this situation, una for no. The day when they for bring her come out, they for tossing her food when they seize for custom. Probably they'll pack them, come and put them fire. These people are cruel to us. My fellow youth, these people are cruel to us. Come outside and protest peacefully. Every Nigerian youth, come outside and protest peacefully. It is for our own good. It is for our own good. It is for our own good. These people will not deliberately, as in make them sit back, relax, watch you, can't take food away from their mouth. And you too, as a youth, you will not deliberately sit down, as in watching them to render your life useless and go to grave with it. They have created an empire for their children. They have created an empire for their children. They leave you to be suffering. They watch you suffering, and they even derive joy in seeing you suffering. See the way on her neck long. See the way, see some of una. See on her neck dress, on her neck pogo. I know some of una nature, but I they see hunger, I they see frustration, I they see poverty, I they see as in hardship for our body, for the area, for everywhere. My youth, we can do it. We can do it. If Ghana, in the time of DJ Lawrence, they were able to kill all their leaders, their evil leaders, we can do it. We can do it. We are over, as in 100 million youths. We can do it. We can do it. We can do it. Normally, now elderly, now traditional elderly people, now they protest, and then they fight for the future betterment of their youth. But today, now the reverse case we they see. Since they have failed us, their father have failed us. Are we still going to fail our children too? Are we still going to fail ourselves at the same time fail our children? Black people are the only people who sold their fellow black for slavery. Even when they ban slavery, they still retain and they say they no go agree, make they ban slavery. British come after slavery, they colonize us. Every other African country that was colonized, majority of them they changed their name. Only Nigeria they not change their name. They retain her. Because the people that were giving Nigeria, that will hand over Nigeria to, they are migrants. Do you think, say, the way owner of home go take care of his home, or the way go take value his home, now some migrant go take value their home, value the place? It is not theirs. However, they choose it. Now only way go, as in, I go take favor, and then they go position everything put. Then they go position everything put. Whether you die or whether you not get good road, or whether you not get light, or whether you not get anything, you know with their business. I see yesterday when Aisha, what did they call this late Buhari's son, daughter name? He come answer yesterday. They asking him for Vanguard and this Channel TV. He say, now it is obvious to the Nigerians that my father is not the problem of Nigeria. Look at all the palliative that were given. Say they now the government of the country. Governors and the people in China now they not distribute the food. That his father is not in charge, is not the problem of probably the father be the problem of Nigeria. You see, let me tell you, make I tell that Buhari daughter, whether I don't forget that name, whether na Asha no, I don't forget that name, Zara. Make I tell you, you don't have a father. You don't have a father. Your father is there. You know. Zara, you know that you don't have a father. Your father is dead, and there's no how when person when don't die, when they for a side grave go come be present problem of a country. Even if I know, say in other words, your father is the problem of that country, because if they say they announce the death of your father, at least Nigeria will know how to put things together and make a better life for themselves. Instead of them to come outside to tell Nigeria that your father is dead, you are there handling it, that your mother is taking different men to your father's bed. You should be ashamed of yourself for coming out to be earning that kind of bullshit. The incompetency of the government of as in the regime of your father, you should be ashamed of it. That your father's name is even Buhari's name is mentioned more than 30,000 times, 30 million times every day all over the world. Zara, you should be ashamed of yourself for coming out to voice out that bullshit. To voice out that bullshit. All the problem, your father might not be the problem of not sharing palliative or whatever, but the head or the general overseer of the problem we are facing in Nigeria is Buhari. Is Buhari, being it dead or alive, he's the one, your father, that your miserable pedophile of a father. He's the one, he's the general overseer of the problem everybody is facing in Nigeria. So you should be ashamed of yourself. Several occasions, different people have come outside to accuse you or mother of sleeping with another man. He has not come outside one day to debunk the news. There is news flying everywhere that your father is dead. Confirmed that your father is dead. Your father was not able to come out after 2 weeks. If Nigeria is demanding for the demand for him to come and give speech, your father not come out. And when you come out and at 10 minutes talk, now you talk robots. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. See, young as you did now, see the kind of life see the kind of future when you want face. Your father have damaged everything. Your father have damaged your future and that of your children. Have damaged everything. You should be ashamed of yourself. Have you ever come out to debunk the fact that your father is dead? Have you come out on national TV to debunk it, that my father is alive? Anybody circulating the news that my father is dead, that they are carrying fake news? You couldn't come out and debunk that one. Now you quickly rush out to say my father is not the problem. Your father is the general overseer problem in Nigeria. Since Nigeria has been created, since when it did 33 years, now your father don't constitute nuisance for that country. Even when he's dead, his name is still constituting nuisance. Your mother your mother is a cheater. Your mother not a cheater, is a cheater on your dead father. Now small children, they sleep with your mama for a while. You should be ashamed of yourself. And I just say that now so you go see do for your husband because I like daughter like mother like daughter. And you are her first daughter. The way your mother is cheating on your late father, that is how you will be cheating on your husband, even dead or alive. Miserable set of people. Shameless things. You have a first lady that is cheating on her husband. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. Coming out to defend evil, you should hide your face in shame, Zara. Nigerian youths, make una wake up. Not because they use DJ Rollis, they committed revolution. When you see DJ Rollis now, you're gonna say, hey, strong man. Do what this DJ Rollis do. Do what the DJ Rollis do it. What the Ghanaians do am. Where Ghanaians go for the talk for France, they no go let Nigerian people go talk for them. Where Ghanaians go for the talk, Ghanaians go for the talk for America. As a Nigerian citizen, if you no go let you go talk for them. Where Ghanaians go for the talk for Canada, if you no go let Nigerian people go talk for them because you are a Nigerian citizen, they hold the citizenship. That automatically render you useless. Wake up. Wake up. It is now or never again. It is now or never again. They cannot intimidate us. Make them intimidate us enter us. It is not done. Power belongs to the people. Few government officials cannot come outside to intimidate us enter us. It is constitutionally for us to protest peacefully. It is constitution. It is our right as a citizen. We not fit protest. We not fit get good road. We not fit get good water. We not fit get 24 hours of light. We not fit get good free education. We not fit get good free health center. We not fit get any good thing. We not fit protest. What it come make us a citizen of a country? What it come make us a citizen of a country? What it make us a citizen of a country? Put an end to a bad governance in Nigeria. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. And they know say a day like this will come. That is why they come out capital state city from Calabar, from Calabar to Lagos, from Lagos they cannot go Abuja. They know that a day like this will come because if you say Aso Rock there within our reach for that place, now something will done they done. They cannot go that place, and waiting go make the thing they hard now because of this miserable thief traditional rulers and miserable politician. Since now, Pandev don't talk. Since one of these things they happen, Pandev don't talk. Pandev never talk. Ohaneze now he come outside and he won't bring problem between Igbo and Yoruba. They won't bring problem between Igbo and Yoruba. None of them don't talk. It is not of their business. Ohaneze, all the people waiting for Ohaneze, they shop huge amount of money. Their children are living in diaspora. Una don't hear Edwin Clark don't talk because Edwin Clark won't die for Abuja. He's in a leader of Pandef, the so-called nigger debtor. He's saying a leader, but you know they live for Bayelsa, you know they live for Warri, you know they live for Iguacha, you know they live for anywhere. If they live for Abuja. Okay, which any leader, which any elder of the north, they live for River State, or they live for Bayelsa, or they live for Abia State, or they even they live for Lagos, or they live for this thing. You see how miserable these people are? They just want to render your life useless, and they don't go their grave. They are wicked. They are wicked. The last time now, see when they share, they call, oh shit, they share yam, full yam, government, unless all those individual NGO. And also, let me tell you, Zara, those palliative it was not brought out by your father. Those palliative, Buhari, even when he's alive, is the last person to give Satan water to drink. Your pedophile father, he was the last person when go give any Satan and water drink. Not to talk of saying what share food give them. Those food that were hidden, that money were donated by the Satan billionaires, Satan billionaires. Certain billionaires. Sorry, my people. I want to delete that. I want to block that person. They were certain what did they call them? Billionaires that donated that money. Then they use them buy food finish. They call season. The season. It's not your father. It's not your pedophile miserable father that brought out that money. So you shut up. So that time of that COVID-19, when they call the share that palliative, full yam, government go use knife. You know, and they cut yam, put for fire. If the people will go line, they'll call cut yam, use knife, cut the yam. If not full yam, if you cut it into 7, they'll call Sharon, they'll call give whether not one tail of fish. At the same, my head the boss. I can't say maybe the team, maybe Nigerians too many, the team not reach their hand. I don't know say they go lock the team for one place. They go lock the team for one place so that they go die of hunger. Unbelievable. Nigerian youth don't give up. Nigerian youth don't give up. Edo youth don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. If Ghanaian that is not up to 15 million citizens we're able to do it, we can all do it. We are over 2 million. We can all do it. We can all do it. If we don't do it, our situation, our case will be worse. It will be worse. It will be worse. And now we as Nigerians, now we see get the power of changing the narrative of Africa. We are the most populated. We are the most populated. Through our revolution, every other Africa will be free. Even if I know say the other Africa are even living better than us. But at least, even if I know every other Africa, they are living far better than us in terms of government infrastructure, in terms of government supplying things, development. They live far better than us. How much is Ghana cedi today? How much is Ghana cedi? Ghana cedi is how much? Convert it. One Ghana cedi is equivalent to 100 naira. Yes, one Ghana is equivalent to 100 naira. 100 Ghana cedi is 100 Ghana cedi is over 10,000 naira. 100 Ghana cedi. Wake up, my people. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. They say the children of us are very violent. It is only the violent one that take it by force. Now the Libya road don't block, but people say they enter because you prefer to go and die in desert, die in the Mediterranean Sea than remain in Nigeria. You prefer to die in Mediterranean Sea, you prefer to die in desert than remaining in Nigeria. And for how long are we going to continue managing this kind of situation, suffering and smiling? For how long? Where we have money, we have all the resources. We have every avenue, everything to put everything in place in Nigeria. But the bad leader, they deprive us of our rights. They deprive us of everything. Buying private jets. Religion leaders are doing their own. Traditional rulers are doing their own. Politicians are doing their own. People you call your elder, your representative, they are all doing their own. They are all doing their own. They smuggle you out of your country. They return it to them for themselves. They are enjoying everywhere. These are people that cannot read ABCD to Z. These are people that cannot read, that cannot sing Nigerian national anthem. These are people who do not even know how Nigerian independence was fought. They are not the one taking your rights, taking your right from you, and you sit back, relax, watching them, even chasing or going after people who are fighting, who are taking upon themselves to fight for your freedom. Nigerian youth, we can do it. Home and abroad, we can do it. If Ghana, we are able to do it, we can do it. If South Sudan, we are able to pull our revolution, we can do it. It's better to die for something than to die for nothing. It's better to die for something than to die for nothing. I seen one video yesterday when they go shoot one man for Bar Beach in 1972. In 1972, he was shot broad daylight. They say a criminal. They can't go Bar Beach, try him for drum, they shoot and die. What are you still waiting for? If truly that man was guilty, and everybody came outside and team up, and then they shot him like that, and I believe that man was a Sataner. If he was shot like that, what are you still waiting for? Are these people, are this present government, they never show you crudeness, Rich. They never show you too much brutality. What are you still waiting for? Who are you waiting for to come and fight your right for you? If people were shot in those days for corruption, for bad leadership, what are you waiting for? Nah. Are you going to allow them to intimidate you with their army, their police, in order for you not to come out to protest for your rights? If you don't have a right to protest as a citizen, what are you still keeping that kind of a country for? What are you still keeping it for? Do you know what we go through as a Nigerian in diaspora? Do you know what we go through on a daily basis as Nigerian in diaspora? Enough is enough. Enough is enough. We are going to continue coming out at least maximum of 1 month first. At least maximum of 1 month. And there is no point of telling anybody should tell you, say, enter us for waiting. Enter us for waiting. They don't meet your demands. Enter and say they don't meet your demands. I mean, that's what they do. If you protest, okay, make it be say you not protest. As your demand be met, the things when you ask for, they don't give you. When you want enter us. I mean, don't know the meaning of protest. Now they go they dance one no longer the now you know. In everywhere, if your demand is not met, you don't go out for any, you don't go inside. You know they go inside. And there is difference between protesting against bad governance and protesting against maybe they kill one person. To the case those of when they talk say America, George Floyd, they come outside. The protest of George Floyd and the protest of Nigeria today is not the same thing. So make una dey get sense. The protest of George Floyd and the protest that is going on in Nigeria today is not the same. George Floyd was killed, brutally killed. Maybe say the whole world protests. Person who die for America, Belgium they protest. Person who die for America, France they protest. Person who die for America, they protest for Switzerland, Germany, everywhere, all over the world, for China, everywhere. Because you are black, you are in the African continent, they care less about you. The protest you are protesting today is different from the protest of George Floyd. You are protesting against bad governance. They were not protesting against bad governance in America, rather protesting against police brutality, which is already been amended. It is already been amended, and a lot of things, they destroy a lot of things. You are protesting for a good road, protesting for running water, protesting for good hospital care, protesting for good. Everything about Nigeria is bad. That is what you are protesting for, demanding for, as in for your rights, for everything to be put in place. Is different from George Floyd. George Floyd died in America. The Northerners, they came outside, they protested. Now the southern part of Nigeria, middle belt, everybody, youth of Nigeria are protesting. They refuse to come outside, but they rush out to come outside to protest against George Floyd killing. People don't they die for Southern Kaduna today. Nigeria, since then, Nigerians do not come and protest. They don't brutalize people for middle belt. They not come outside to protest. Why they go give una light? Una not even know una right as a citizen. Why they go give una good road? Una not know una right as a citizen. Why they go give una hospital safe? Go and be drinking agbo, make the die throw away. Go they make quack auxiliary on all professional nurses and doctors. Make they kill una throw away. Una life not worth a better life. That is how Nigerian government have placed all you citizens of Nigeria. Your life don't worth a better one. That is how the Nigerian government have placed you, all you citizens of Nigeria. And it's only you, the citizens of Nigeria, that have the right to stand up to say no, enough is enough. That you have already started now. Hold up to it. Sustain it. There must be change. There must be change in Nigeria. There must be change in Nigeria. Enough is enough. Okay, if it's some protest they happen for Nigeria, not only once, next president they could come and call do dotted video call player. If truly you still have a president. Who are these people managing this top secret in Nigeria? Who are these people? They should be killed, all of them. Who are these demons managing this top secret? That put everybody in perpetual slavery, perpetual danger. Who are these demons managing this top secret of a president, of a death of a president? Who are these people? They should be brought out in public and hang them. Their head should be separated from their body. They are wicked. They are demons from the pit of hell. Every evening, every day, even the time of George Floyd, every day, Donald Trump, they come outside on daily basis to call they address Americans. Even when protests they go for France, yeah, yellow vest, when they protest. Every day, now Emmanuel Macron, they come outside, they talk. So then Emmanuel Macron even they share money. What did they worry these people? What is wrong with these people? And for how long are we going to sit back, relax, continue watching them muggling with our life? And when are we going to take action? Is it when all of us must have perished, reduced to nothing, zero.com? Is it when we will speak as a people? Nigerian government is your enemy. They have been the one that have reduced your life to zero.com. They are your enemy. Go after them. By coming out to protest, let the world see you continue protesting. I'm going to start to exhibit all those criminal acts because I waited at the picture for the world be that. I see yesterday when they joined many videos saying on the break. But the things, the protest, the reprotest, they're not the video, they're not the show. Now all those criminal, all those things will happen. And then they quickly they come outside, they pack it together, call the show. Nigerians be wise. Nigerians be wise. You are enjoying Spain today, Spain they fought for it. You are enjoying Germany, they fought for it. You are enjoying France, they fought for it. Everywhere we are enjoying all over the world, getting good road, good hospital, free hospital, child benefit. They fought for it. It was never given for free. It was never given for free. They fought for it. People died. A lot of people died. But they died for a better society. Even when some of them were going out, they knew they were going to die. They know that I'm going out for protest for a better Nigeria or a better France. Some of us will die, but the ones alive will enjoy it. It's better to die for something than to die for nothing. Nobody is your enemy at this point in time. The people that are your enemy are the government of Nigeria. They are criminal. They are cruelless. They are cruel, wicked, barbaric. They're careless about you. See extravagant life when they live all over the world. Now only cemetery, now they belong. Every good thing that any rich man or politician own in Nigeria is meant to live abroad. How wicked can human be? Black people, Black people, if you say God go fit you drop something, make all of us perish for better. Oh. Not be lie you. If you say God go fit drop something, make black people you perish for better, including me. Including me. If God can drop something, let everybody perish, I will be so happy. Because the way things are going today in Nigeria is no longer funny. And we have kept quiet for too long. We have kept quiet for too long because we never stood for each other. None of us, we never stood for each other. Because they are used, excuse me, they have been using the method of divide and rule for ages, and we never discovered. Now that we have discovered it, we must make use of this opportunity. Don't let it go. Don't let it go. Don't let it go. Don't let it go. If one person is going to perish, let all of us perish. If one person go come outside to lay in life to make us say everything better, make all of us support that person. And if that person go down, that person should not go down in vain. And they see Omotola, I don't really understand that news when Omotola give, because me, I know they understand. They are all those, they are all you when they speak. Maybe somebody can, maybe later I can call somebody, maybe they call download the English, give me, because I don't understand. Omotola, I see for Punch newspaper, be Vanguard News, say if you know that you anybody will get victim of, or we know of victim of toll gate, Lekki toll gate, make it come outside, make it come speak, make it come testify to it. I'm not gonna know whether they talk for the benefit of a president or for the favor of a government or the favor of the people. Because I know say if you for the favor of the people, Vanguard News will not publish it. I know if you for the favor of the people, Channel TV will not publish it. I know if you for the favor of the people, none of these people will publish it. I know the news way for go for carrier, none of those personal bloggers. This kind of major news for not carrying. It means say Omotola they automatically they talk say people not die for that place. If they support Sanu Ogo, even when Sanu Ogo don't come as I admit, say I never knew that people died there. Even the overwhelming evidence that is flooding on social media. These people are too wicked, my God. Not too wicked. These are the same Nigerians who make you a celebrity, who make you a superstar. What is some of them the art for themselves? These are the people who celebrate you on a daily basis. They put your flashing picture for there now. And you are a mother. You are a mother. Are you going to tell me that you have not seen the lady in UK who was crying and brought out the picture of her son to testify that I'm the mother of this boy that was killed in Lekki toll gate? Even the woman where they interviewed the person self, see the way they talk. This is the boy that died on toll gate. Not be say this is one of the mother of the victims. One of the mother of the victims. He said the boy that died. Is it only that boy that died on the... Nigerians are wicked. I'm telling you the truth. I'm telling you the truth. I don't know if I'm making sense to you people, but I know that I'm just pouring out my grievances against this rubbish set of people to motivate my fellow youth out there. To motivate my fellow youth out there. These people are wicked, man. They are wicked, man. They are cruelless. They are very cruel. They are wicked. I'm telling you. They don't get sense of humanity in them. I'm telling you. Especially when they don't get connected to power, or they don't get linked to become as in your top. They are very cruel. They don't care about you. They don't care about you. Nigeria are the most, they live for perpetual abject poverty. Now that they live for region when highest terrorists there. Now that's the most happiest. Go and check the world record. Suffering and smiling. Covering up your everything that is happening in Nigeria, injustice and everything, and you are waiting for somebody to come and help you. Now you go help American people. I mean, now you go help France people. Now you go help when they cut off the demonic king for Britain that time. Now you go help the cut them out. They did it themselves, and they know say they know as una mentality strong greed. They know as una mind strong greed. They don't fight una. They not get soft when it comes to demanding for your freedom. If they kill the nearest person to you, you don't go back. You don't go back. When you know say all the as a man, it's appointed to a man. As you they born you must die. As in one day you are definitely going to die. Yes, they are all swallowing everything. Robbie, Diamond, the big fishes in Nigeria. I don't think okay if you use the big fishes, if you use the big fishes, because we gave them the power to become big fishes. You understand? We gave them the power to become big fishes. But if terms in a real terms, as a normal society where worm they eat for everybody belly, These people are not big fish. They are not big fish. Because even a retired colonel, or a retired army, or a retired police, or a retired politician, you feel they walk out down to this street when a day now. They go, they live. They live for year. You go see that the only way you go see that go. Sometimes you go even see that with slippers. Said they walk out for street. Now newspaper they hold for hand. Just newspaper then they hold for hand. You know go know say they be retired politician, total politician. But Nigeria, oh, as they enter that power, they don't go build gate when they reach heaven. Come on, as in, if you even they look the gate, say you go to see, you go to feel intimidated. Say, I mean, these people they live for power. Me, I know, as God take create me, God not create me to live a better life. God is wicked, as in God is biased. Some of us they feel like that. Say God they biased. No. Some of us they feel like that. Say God they biased. These people are not really big fish. We are the one that make them to start feeling as big fish to us. Or continue to the swallow. You never see some kind fish, some kind big fish where go swallow small fish. That fish go tear in belly come outside. You never see him. You never see him. Big fish, you go swallow small fish. Small fish go tear in belly come outside. You go kill that big fish. You never see him. He dey. So we can do it, my people. We can do it. If we get the, as in, we get the spirit of togetherness as youth of Nigeria, we can do it. If it has been happening in other nations before, we can do it in Nigeria. We can make Nigeria a better place for everybody to live. We can make Nigeria a better place. Let the power go out of the politicians to the people. That is how it be done everywhere. Even military regime, you know they dead tough the way Nigeria democracy dead tough today. Military regime is not as tough as it is today. They say don't bring IPOB to this protest. Don't do this one. Are we not Nigerians? I'm an IPOB. Am I not still using the Nigerian identity? What do you mean by don't bring IPOB into this this thing? Then give us independence. Let us go. This is not what we have been demanding for. In as far as you refuse to give us, we will join because we are Nigerian youth. What do you mean? We are Nigerian youth. We are going to join the protest. We have joined it and we are doing it together. We are all Nigerian youth. You want to intimidate everybody. You know, so now we get it as in you know the weight of IPOB. You want to intimidate us, you want to talk us out. Make the country say, we're not gonna come on here. We are all Nigerian youth and we are doing it together. If they start protest from my city and I will go there, I will carry placard, I will carry Nigeria, I will go there. What do you mean? When I go seek asylum, they tell you say when I for we are there for that place. Just when I shut up, go and protest, go outside and protest and shut up. Stop talking anyhow. Cowards, some of you there. Let us know the candle shut up. Let us know the candle shut up. Where is your father? Where is your coward father? Where is him? You know that they go to marry small children and then they do for you. Where is your coward father? Where is him? Who else in Nigeria that is as bold as Nnamdi Kanu is speaking? Who else? Who else? Who else in Nigeria that is as bold? The way Nigerian the way Nnamdi Kanu is speaking. Who else? Who else is giving Nigerian youth morale to do undo? Who else? Tell me who else? Who else? If it demon appoint and heart, no one, nobody. Everybody they thought that they bear mat. Everybody they thought they bear mat. Apart from some our Yoruba elders now, we see they hit the nail on the head. Who else? Who else? Tell me one politician or one traditional ruler or anybody who is hitting the nail on the head. Everybody wants the youth to go inside. They want peace to reign because they want to everything when it does scatter. They want to rebuild and bam, life continue. God will punish all of you for that place, for that Nigeria, for those demonic attitudes. One of the God will punish all of you in that place. Not be the youth or all those useless elders and politicians. God will punish all of you now. Let those people that die in Lekki Toll Gate, may they forget about them. People that die in Edo State, we should forget about it. People that die in Ughelli that brought out this revolution, we should forget about them. Is that what you're telling me? People that die in Aba, we should forget about them. We should forget about them. Because of palliative for Edo State yesterday, Governor Obaseki sent people, sent army, may they go to shoot people. I see the video now. They shoot people put for ground because of honorary palliative. Food, Indomie, when how many pack of Indomie when be said that it shall never be well with you now. It shall never be well with you now. Nigerian youth, Children of God suffer violence, and only the violent one I take it by force. Don't wait for anybody. UN want to see how resolute you are. United Nations want to see how resolute you are. The USA want to see how resolute you are. The world want to see how resolute you are. Prove it to them that you really want a change in Nigeria. Don't give up. Prove it to them. They are not to come to, they're not going to come for Nigeria because they ask you how you they live. You they okay? It is not their responsibility. It's not their duty. It is your duty, that is the people that are passing through this suffering, this stress, to raise an alarm for them to come to your rescue. And they will not come to your rescue without your toughness, how strong you take sustain the protest. They will not come. And all those people, when they talk, say, what we do, let the youth come together, because they use some kind of celebrity, after they do some kind of thing, and they look there and they watch them. When I will come out, they attack all of una go see what una go see what they share with you. And the fact they love una fair, man see how now the kind of method when I want to come outside. Una don't they come outside and go and get your PVC, go and get your PVC, go and get it. They tell you it's not PVC, not be the problem of Nigeria. Did they tell you it's PVC? Nigeria problem is beyond PVC. Nigeria problem is beyond PVC. Stop deceiving people. Stop deceiving people with all those rubbish thing when they do for that place. Nigeria problem is a constitution. Nigeria problem is all those nyama thing when they do for that. It's not about PVC. Give an Edoma presidency today. What is happening today will still happen. Give Obama the same thing. We are telling you that Nigeria foundation, the constitution, the foundation is bad. You are then talking about PVC. That is how you misled the people in 2019. Misled them, PVC. 2015, you misled them. PVC. Did you vote for Omodele? Let the youth come and say, what Omodele were not the youth? Did you vote for him? Who do you not think is not capable of Mona, shut up, eh? Mona, go out for protest. Go out for protest like the way we are doing in France, we are doing in Germany, we are doing everywhere we do with the protest. We are doing in Ghana, we are doing in South Africa. Go out there and protest. You shut up. Una don't like easy life. Easy way to go. Easy way to go. You do something, you run at us. If not to go do competition, now say your friend they abroad, say may you pass desert now. You go say, oh, die now, die. I won't enter. Fight for a better life now. When you say you go there for that place now, you go there, sit down, security, everything go there. You did that place, they talk, say go and get your PVC. You want everything to end so that you continue your rubbish joke one they do. Some of them are there. You want everything to end so that you continue your rubbish party hosting everywhere. Suffering and smiling. Protests continue. Protests must continue. Because it's only protest. We don't have gun, we don't have bullet, we don't have anything. Thank you, Mazi Nobo. Izedibe, I see you there. Thank you very much. We don't have anything. Destiny, thank you very much. Sister Destiny, God bless you. We don't have anything. It's only our mats and placard. And you are still scared. Because they want to kill you. Because you don't want to die. But you are quickly to go to American embassy, Germany embassy. This one you want to fly out. And you don't know how Germany people sacrifice their blood on the street to make Germany a greater place. A better place for them to live. Protests continue. We must continue to move. Brother Henry Lamine, I see you there. Thank you very much. We must continue to move. It is now or never again. It is now or never again. It is now or never again. We are all Nigerian youths, and we are going to continue to demand for our rights as a youth. The rate of unemployment in Nigeria is too much. That is why we now have more as in criminal activities in Nigeria. What is it? The mentality of they come to carry us for 200 years for slavery. Now this time to get, that is not how to pay back. That's not how to pay back. They will continue to enslave you. They can't come your country now. Call they enslave you on top of your country. They not call carry you come out. Now you call they use your leg and your hand now. They find every means to do to enter their land. They pap waiting there for your backyard, papa to their land. Everything they flow, they go for there. They pay their citizens. They pay their citizens money, give their citizens good life, good infrastructure. You do that play, they talk say they ate our money, they take our father. For this reason, we are going to deal with them. We go scam them. You are a fool. Scam them. You know if you scam the dry. The money na your land they call for. You can't scam the dry. It gets some people when you go scam self, government go pay them the money, but you don't know. You fools, some of you there. Rubbish. Thank you very much, my wonderful people. My lovers of freedom. I did find my beloved brother Oscar. I see you there. Thank you very much. Joy OEM. I see you there. Thank you very much, my wonderful people. Papilo, I see you there. Thank you very much. We are together in this. David Isaac, we are together in this. We are together in this. United we stand. United we stand. We must have any misunderstanding in the past as the youth, when we never know who be our real enemy, or the manner of when we take to address the matter, so that when I go wake up, we must have any challenge in the past. But I'm letting you know, it's gone, and as in a bygone now. It is bygone. Let's face the reality that is facing us. Let's face it. Let's face it. Because today now, my fellow Biafrans, the reason why you see that Nigerians are backward, now being when you see, say, a man of 40 years, go see, they say, I'm a youth. Even a man of 30 years, go, they say, I'm a youth, I'm a youth, I'm a youth. Normally, if father not reach, in time of his father, he not reach 25 years before you become a man. If father married 3 wives, or other 25 years, if father don't marry 3 wives, today, some of them, if you see them and their father, if you see them and their father, you not go know that their father born them. If my father was into be where I did like this now, if you see me and my father, you don't know say my father give birth to me. You don't believe it. You think I'm their last born, I've been sister. You think I'm his sister. You see say a child of a man of 40. We the youth because you are backward. Now your children are supposed to say, with the youth. Some of you now not quick give birth because now they think how now want to put food for the table for the children. Some of you not quick give birth because now they find, now they fear say they can't suffer when I suffer. Me na example. Me na example. How I want to take care of it. I don't want to suffer when I drink gari. I don't want my children drink gari. I use mango drink gari. I don't want my children drink gari. And I suffer like this. I don't want my children suffer like this. Some of you will refuse to give birth early. We refuse to give birth early. But when we go calculate the age when we dey, we go calculate the age when we dey, when our mother give birth to us, we will come see and say, the thing, you go to pay you use your bone marrow. Let's put an end to all this miserable life. Let's put an end to all this miserable life. You cannot be 30-something years. You don't have a home. You don't have a family. You don't have a child. And you think it's normal. It's not normal. It's not normal. It can be by choice, but it's not normal. Majority of all, because we not go feel cater for the family. That's why we have not give. We never give birth. It's true. It's true. If your father waited the way you are waiting today, if your mother waited the way you are waiting today, maybe you for not there alive. You for follow blood, toilet go. These people cause this destruction to our life. They cause this destruction to our life. Then if you want to say it in the area of say, nobody oh you may go do this one. What about the children that is whirling away on the street? Who is countering for them? Who they counter for them? What about the one that is dying in the Mediterranean Sea? Who is counting for them? You think it's everybody that have the mentality of or all those miserable mentality when I get for that Nigeria, for that place? Homeless children for abroad, even for abroad, they follow people. If you not treat your pikin well, government will come carry on. If you not treat your pikin well for abroad, government will come there and take it away from you. But Africa, go see that they sleep for Ring Road, sleep for Warri Roundabout, Oju Elegba, under bridge. See them for there. Because of hardship, some go even bother go to where for toilet. Some go even go to where for canal. Some go suffocate the children die. Ha! Oh, according to my Yoruba people. Oh, Eleyo gidi go. Eleyo gidi go. This one's strong, oh. Thank you very much, my wonderful people, my great lovers of freedom. Yes, see, brother Robbie or sister Robbie, I don't know who get this name. Robbie Diamond. Yes. See, let me tell you, they celebrity and they for not come out for the beginning. Oh. They celebrity, they for not come out for the beginning. They don't know say the thing go there like this. Oh. They just feel at that time of Gula Jonathan where everything you make cool. They just come out and they just flag their face. Gula Jonathan is dead. He goes this one, that one, that one. They think that one. When any soul not die. And they don't know say they go take this thing to this level. All of them don't shocking. They don't face their daily. They won't make the thing even stop so that they go stop their daily activities. The celebrity, they don't know. But how God is grateful, God is faithful, and the love, and so many people that their life have died or as in lost unjustly. When the now that we just a celebrity for come outside normally, they not go come outside. If not be this, God knows say now through this end process, now go take pull everybody out. Nobody. If you want to talk any, and I will go bring your protest where you dey shout for streets. You were once among the protesters, but since then and all of them don't shocking. Nobody won't die. Everybody won't go heaven. Oh, everybody won't go heaven. They don't want that, but they won't go heaven. They don't want that, but they want a better society. They don't want that. They want continue to they go they want no longer get for Ikoyi. They don't want that, but they want good road. Thank you very much, my people. Now they are go leave the talk today. It pay me so now they feel they put number for make una for feed the call due to say no convenience for us to do the broadcast very well, but we must continue. Thank you very much. If you never like this page, oh, Omote Biafra, but I see you there. If you never like this page, Omote Biafra. If you never follow the page. And also, my people, before we go finally go, I beg una in the name of God, it will not take anything away from your body. Should the case, not say they don't hack my page and my main Facebook, I know they go live from there again. Should the case they see block this one or they however they go manage them, make we see get another means of discussing, another means of talking. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. We get 870 before the last time when I check on. Now just 130 now we need again, then we are good to go. And I thank all of you who already subscribe. If you get 2 phones, subscribe 2 times. Now even they subscribe. If you have 2 phones, subscribe 2 times so that we can go. Now for the thing to complete 1,000, they will start to stream live. That's all. Please subscribe to it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we go feed they see the broadcast from that place. If they fuck up, we abandon them, we go there. If they still leave us, we still come back. That's all. Thank you very much. One love, my people. Together we shall conquer. We move. We continue to move. Sorosoke, anywhere you do, when you Sorosoke, speak out. Speak out, Sorosoke. Don't let go of this protest. It is the last opportunity for us. Thank you very much. One love, my people. Yes, brother Lami. It not work out. Eventually, this revolution did not work out. Success of the government. Yes, now definitely kill most of the. Yes, and they don't call them all the celebrities. They don't call them. Someone are shocking. No, Efe Omo Caro. Thank you very much, brother Efe. Please, brother Efe, go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Omote Biafra on my YouTube channel. Brother Puppet Francis, please. One love, my brother. Please go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Brother Henry Lamin, please go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I know you have not done that, but if you have done that, thank you very much. Precious, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Sister Amaka Ekweke, please do so for me. Kingsley C. Okereke, please, Mona, help me to subscribe for the YouTube channel so that we go complete. Sister Edith Ambrose, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And it go complete and we go start. Shepherdman, please subscribe to my YouTube. Sister Jennifer, please do. Robbie Diamond, please do. Don Merit, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm begging you individually. Brother Nobo Ezadibe, please do so. Ifa Luyi Nasi, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. No, we shouldn't be scared of war. We shouldn't be scared of war. Because man die but once. Some people they tell me, if you not get paper, you they vibrate for France. I say, why not go vibrate? How years ago say make I go back home, finish. Or how yes, they say make I go back home, or they deport me. What do you want to happen? And would that be even if it be the end of my life, people will be alive to tell the story. How resolute I was, how strong I was, how determined I was. So what it could happen? No level, eh? So we are not scared of war this time. We must fight it. Siri Bosco, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. They beg una individually now. Sister Imose Purity, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stephanie, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Shinedu, please do so. Blessing, I see you there. Please do so. Thank you all very much. I love una. I go see you now tomorrow afternoon again, same time. No, not the same time. Tomorrow afternoon we go come again. And don't forget to listen to our Supreme Leader this very evening. Make it go to give us updates about the protest, how successful way they and how everything they go. I love una so much. We are together in this. If we must have said anything when not make sense due to frustration, when all of us they go through, we want our people to wake up. Let's put everything behind. Nnamdi Kanu is not the problem of Nigeria. The problem of Nigeria is the federal government. And Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for every one of us to be free. Let's put everything behind. Only togetherness. If we continue to bat ourselves, they eat ourselves, we not go anywhere. Oh, we not go anywhere. And the federal government of Nigeria, they don't bring out a fake account in Yoruba name, for Igbo name, for Edo name, for they attack ourselves. Don't fall for victim. Not fall for victim. If you see Edo name, you say, let this stupid, the come this IPOB said that be rubbish people, not say anything. They not be really Edo man be that. They go use Yoruba, this Igbo people don't say anything. They go use Igbo name, this Yoruba don't say anything. Now computer that they forge all this name, most they fight against ourselves. Then they don't do for how many years we make all of all day like this. Okay, why? They not tell us history. Why they not teach us history? Not be for us not to know ourselves. Now for us not to know ourselves, now they not tell us history. Let's make bygone be bygone. Meanwhile, they don't say so many things. But make una know verse. Make we continue. Make we together fight. If they say all of us day for unity, they'll call they fear. But if they say with the divide, they'll get strength. They get strength. You know how many people won't call me today? Make I know they talk about freedom of our people. You know how many people go call you, say make you forget that thing, say that they use and they make money. Don't listen to them. They want us to separate so that they can easily conquer us, so that they can easily continue to kill us as the youth. They send army, send SARS, they kill us as the youth. Make we not fall for their victim. Make we not fall for their victim. Nigerian government plan will never work this time around. Now you go see they see some idiots them. They go see send the comment, they call they put red there so that you go the verse. So that you don't go talk what you supposed to they talk. If you see red there, you call the verse. And Amadio and Ogun, I go destroy all of them. You go see that hand when they tell the after war. You get what when I Benin people they call after war, be Yoruba people. After war, you see that hand when they touch that phone, after war, go catch that your hand. You see because you don't like better thing for the people. Thank you very much. I love you all, my people. And I continue to the love una. One love. Sorosoke. We move. Thank you now so much. I see you now tomorrow. Golf gift. Golden. I see you there. Thank you so much. Thank you now so much. Bye.